So we're finishing up on our house roof that we started today. It's one of our customers' rental properties. Put some Certainty landmarks, colonial slate on, full synthetic underlayments. In this house, leaking problems are gone. Huge improvement over the old roof. Our Certainty shadow ridge, hip and ridge caps. All our pipes spray painted with Rust-Oleum rust blocker. And this job is a wrap. So property owners, please give us a call if you've got rental houses that need work, that need a roof put on that you don't have to worry about. We're happy to help. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.